Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. So yeah, on the Doge chart, we can see that Doge is still reacting here to our resistance area. The scenario is unchanged. We are still primarily watching for another low on the Doge chart. The rally looks like it might have ended as a three-wave correction in a B wave, as it did in a corrective rally here, in a corrective rally here, and here, and here. Dogecoin likes these corrective rallies due to news or whatever. I mean, I think this one was again related to the Twitter logo change, even though I'm not really sure what that has to do with Doge. But we had a bit of an extended rally, but to be fair, it never even broke and sustained above our 8-cent resistance level I indicated before. Yeah, we had a brief break, but it never sustained above it. So yeah, but nevertheless, due to the strength of the move up that occurred, I'm counting that as a B wave off wave 3, which means we should still see another low here as per this wave count. Now, I said it before, I'm not too confident in this wave count because we're not really following through to the downside impulsively. I rather see this as a diagonal structure, and diagonal structures can be easily morph. They can easily morph into different wave structures. That is no surprise. That's actually pretty common in diagonals, so you need to mentally prepare for that we might have a change in wave count. It is not impulsive. That's just the situation we're in towards the end of a bear market. Generally, all altcoins are still in a pretty bad shape. Yeah, most of them at least. Bitcoin, Ethereum look okay, but most altcoins are just in a pretty bad situation. We see diagonals everywhere. It is choppy, sloppy, boring. It bores a lot of people out. At some point, they will just go, in my opinion, but it's probably not the time yet. And we're still making lower lows, lower highs here, and we have rallied into resistance, and the setback is quite, I don't want to say substantial, but you notice it, and so far Doge doesn't seem to have any motivation to break above resistance. Resistance goes all the way up to 9.4 cents, which means if we break above that level, we may have to consider a wave count change. Until then, nothing has to happen. The idea is, though, that even if we do a wave count change, it would not necessarily be bullish. All we would probably do, we would simply reset this wave 2 a little bit higher because the wave 2 was quite short. So that can still go higher. And then we can still have a third wave expected to come down. I mean, we obviously, if it now goes above resistance, I would also continue to track a bullish case, as we already do anyway, because I've got a wave 2 alternative already in here, but that's only the second most likely count, not the most likely one. I would need to see more evidence and proof that price has already bottomed. And in my opinion, as long as we stay below 9.4 cents, the imminent downside pressure is pretty much there. And I also showed you a support area against which price can move higher, and that is 6.9 cents. So the 50% retracement of that move up. The idea is that because we are in a very short-term uptrend, locally, as long as we're holding 6.9 cents, the short-term uptrend should continue. A break below that, and I would expect it at some point, a break below that would confirm that the C wave is playing out. At least it would accelerate the downturn, in my opinion. And then we should reach, we can calculate that actually. Then we should reach a new local low. We can calculate that by taking the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, and we're looking for the 1-to-1 ratio at 3.3 cents. Okay, not sure if we go down all the way there, but it would be a common target for a C wave. Let's see. I mean, Doge doesn't look very good in the short term, but you know that when the dog has a good day, it can always run. So know your coins, okay? Just don't be surprised about any sudden movements if there is a bit of a concentrated shake-up of market sentiment due to a tweet or some news. So that always happens on the Doge chart. Don't be surprised. The fact that we're dealing here with a diagonal basically tells us this is what we have to expect anyway. But yeah, resistance levels should be clear, downside target as well. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.